always taking action for you.
And we begin tonight with a local cancer doctor accused of defrauding Medicare and putting his patients' lives in danger.
He says he can't get a fair trial in Detroit and wants a change of venue, but will he get it?
7 Action News reporter Simon Shaquette was in federal court for the judge's decision. And Simon, what did the judge say?
Well, Dr. Fata showed up in court today in handcuffs and shackles. Meantime, his lawyers made the case that he's got the status similar to former Mayor Kwame Kilpatrick or even the underwear bomber, and for that reason, the trial should be relocated. The judge not buying it.
My life has not been the same since I lost my mom, and nor has all of my friends behind me. We've all been affected tremendously by this.
For Elizabeth Lupo, today marks a small victory on a very long journey for justice. Her mother, Marianne, passed away under the care of Dr. Fareed Fata, who's now charged with healthcare fraud. Last year, the FBI uncovered alleged abuse involving unnecessary treatments, such as chemo, by the former cancer doc that made him filthy rich. Today in federal court, a judge denied Fata's request for a change of venue in the trial and dismissed claims he's been labeled a monster and can no longer get a fair trial here.
I have a lot of friends who I'm close with who've never heard of Dr. Fata, know nothing about this, so I don't think that's the case at all.
It's important to keep it in this state because people in the state of Michigan can be fair, and I think that justice will be served here.
Sydney Zaremba also lost her mom, and she's got no sympathy for the 48-year-old doc who's already had $10 million in assets seized by the feds and now claims he can't afford a lawyer. Fata remains in custody awaiting trial.
I think it was important to keep the case here so that people who were impacted by this will be able to come and watch the trial and be there in support of each other.
Now, Fata will be back in court on June 12th, and at that point he will ask the judge to pay for his legal defense. Carolyn, back to you.
Simon, any idea when the trial is going to start after today's ruling?
Yeah, we're still waiting to find all those details out, but, certainly an important point. Who's going to pay for his legal defense? We'll have to wait and see what happens there.
All right.